Hello, don't you like this architectural design home? 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex. Comes with an indoor and outdoor water fountain, swimming pool, car park space for 3 to 4 cars, automated gate. Comes with a 30 KVA generator and lots more. Welcome to this 5 bedroom contemporary design house for sale in Chevron. So this is the compound space. You can see the stamped concrete floor. You have this car park space here. Then this is the main entrance. So let me take you around the house now. You can see the high glass here. Sorry. Here you have the BQ. Then you have your borehole here. You have the pump for the swimming pool. Wow, this is lovely. You can see the water fountain in the swimming pool. So welcome to this lovely home. You have the ante room here. And this is also the entrance door. So you have the visitor's toilet, the living area, the dining area, the high ceiling, inbuilt speaker, chandelier light, spotlight. There you have the high ceiling there. So and this door takes you also to the swimming pool. So you have the fully fitted kitchen with the pantry. Here you have the transparent glass. So we have a spacious room downstairs here. So like I said earlier on, you have a water fountain inside the house. You have the sensor lights, the wall lights. Very spacious room, inbuilt speaker, walk-in shower, ocean basin. You have another spacious room here, walk-in shower and all. Another room there. So here you have the family lounge, the chandelier lights. You can see you have the water fountain view from here. Here you have the master bedroom, chandelier, inbuilt speaker, spotlight, LED lighting. Then you have the walk-in closet to the table dresser and mirror. Here you have the walk-in shower, the black bathtub, toilet seats, double ocean basin. We have a balcony here. So you have the water fountain view from here. So like I said, it's a 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex for sale. Swimming pool, water fountain, indoor and outdoor water fountain, and lots more. If you're interested, contact Dandy, DCI Realtor, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. For more pictures, check our website. Thank you for watching and God bless you.